Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV of my school, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to conduct an English first paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, English Assignment-2 discussions. Let's see our today's class. Town Hall examination, class 6, subject English first paper, topic Assignment-2 discussion. Lecture number 24, Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's see our assignment, lesson and name of the lesson. Lesson 2, congratulations, well done. You will read this lesson. Assignment, assign tasks. So this is our 6-week assignment. Think of a situation when you did something brilliant and somebody congratulated you. Maybe you played or sang well, or cooked something for your family, or had a success somewhere. Any one of your success story. Now write about that experience. In your writing, mention the following things. You have to mention the following things. You have to answer the following things in your writing. First one, what happened? Number 2, when it happened. Number 3, who congratulated you? Number 4, how he, she congratulated. Easy, what language was used? Like congratulations, well done, brilliant. Number 5, how did you feel it? So when they congratulated you, how did you feel? You have to answer these following questions, 5 questions. Whatever you will write, your success, any story, you have to answer 5 questions. Or any word, this one and this one. Or you can write, think of an unhappy situation when you were upset but somebody helped you overcome your bad time. In your writing, mention the following things. Number 1, what was the occurrence? How did you feel? This is sad feelings, unhappy feelings. Number 4, number 3, who consoled you? Number 4, what language he, she used? Number 5, how did he, she help you to overcome that situation? So you can write only one, this one and this one. It become these topics. So topic 1, happy feelings. You have to write within 150 words. You have to write within 150 words. So if you write topic 1, happy feelings, you have to write within 150 marks. You have to answer 5 questions. Or you can write or any one, not 2, any one topic. You can write your happy feelings, it's okay. If you do not write your happy feelings, write topic 2, unhappy feelings, both with 150 words. Within 150 words. So anyone, write anyone. Happy feelings. Okay, if you do not like happy feelings, you can write unhappy feelings. But any one topic you have to write. Let's read instruction. What is instruction? When teaching and learning of the lesson is done, give this assignment to your students. Instruct your students to reflect on their own life and experiences rather than copying from any source. If 2 or more assignments are similar, ask your students to resubmit it. If we find your assignments are similar, we will ask you to resubmit it. Now that in writing this assignment, students have choice. They can write about their success, I told you before, happy feelings, or they can write about their unhappy feelings. Write any one topic. So assessment criteria, excellent. Students answer all 5 questions. Students use of vocabulary is appropriate and varied. Students could write 150 words. All sentences are grammatically correct. There is no spelling mistakes. Next one, very good. The student answers most of the questions, 3, 4. Students use of vocabulary is generally appropriate and varied with occasional mistakes. Number 4, students write less than 120 marks. Most of the sentences are grammatically correct. Next one, there are occasional spelling mistakes. Good, how you will get good? The students answer 2 questions. Student use of vocabulary is limited. Student writes 100 words at least. half of the sentences are grammatically correct, half of the words have spelling mistakes, needs improvement. The students answer only 1 point. Students' use of vocabulary is extremely limited with random inappropriate use of words. Student writes about around 50-60 words. There are frequent grammatical mistakes, student mistakes, random spelling mistakes. So you can phone me, Ariful Islam, and we are Sonia Khan Joyamis. This is her mobile number is this one. So you can contact with me and Sonia Khan Madam with these numbers if you face any problems. So my dear students, do your assignment at home and you will write only one topic, happy feelings or unhappy feelings, not both, any one topic. So my dear students, keep practicing at home, have a good parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.